Now we have our toilet supply line. This is particular one is called a rubber tip. And we have our braided toilet supply line. It's a good idea to check your local codes in case you want to use plastic supply lines. Some municipalities don't allow it. And here is our new flush valve. This is the new ball cock that we're going to use. It's made of brass, and that's mostly my preference. The refill tube, the trip lever that turns the ball cock off and on with the water level, and this is another type of ball cock which is called a fluid master. These are the two most commonly used ball cock, the brass one and this here, the fluid master. Fluid master, refill tube, washer, and assembly. First, let's install the flush valve. Now you notice the two holes on each side of the flush valve. Make sure to position the flush valve so that it doesn't cover any of those holes. Now let's take the flush valve nut and connect the flush valve to the tank. Get a nice snug tight fit. Now we have the flush valve nice and secure. This is the tank to bowl kit. The tank to bowl gasket, tank to bowl bolts, washers, and nuts. Let's start with the tank to bowl gasket. Just flipped it on there. Now we're going to start with the tank to bowl bolts. That bolts the tank down to the bowl. We put our washer. This washer is going to go in the inside of the tank. And we will have another washer that goes on the outside of the bottom part of the tank to make a nice tight seal. we install our outside washer at the bottom of the tank, and next we install our stainless steel washer. And now the bolt. And we're going to take this bolt, thread it on there, screw it down, and get it nice and snug. Again, this is something else. You'd rather not tighten too tight. But yet tight enough. We use our small adjustable wrench. Now we have the complete tank to bowl set connected. Our next step is to set the tank into place. Now let's put our tank to bowl nuts from the bottom end, our washer and our nut.